What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the Audacity Capital YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough of how the new DXTrade platform is working. So let's start by setting up the account. I was going on the Audacity Capital page, and what I was doing is putting up and setting up a free trial. You can do that by yourself, and you can do a real challenge as well. It's totally the same. I just had to click in my account here for the DXTrade for web. What you can do is open that up, and then there is a new page opening up with the account that I properly set up. It's just a demo account for just the showing purposes here. And then you're going to get to the DXTrade platform. So what you can see here is that I'm logged into my 30K demo account on DXTrade. In my opinion, it's a really clean and fast platform. I'm going to show you some things here. So on the left side, you can see the different markets. Now we are in the gold 1 hour market. You can just click here, and then it's going to switch the asset. And if you look here, you can do the different time frames, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame, and you can do your analysis here. And there are different time frames, and there are even different chart types. You can use a bar, you can use a line chart, whatever you prefer. You can set it up so everything works out for yourself. You even have some tools here, like you can do this. You can draw on the chart, and I like it really much because most of the times when you're using TradingView, you can do it like this, but on MetaTrader, it was not that clean and fast. So that's really cool. And what we have here is indicator settings. You can check what indicators you want to use. You can go through, click here, then it's going to add the indicator. You can see full stochastic in this case. I'm not going to use any indicators, so I'm going to leave it out. But what we can do is to place a trade on gold. Let's see where we're at. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. And what we have here, we can place a trade. You can see sell here, buy here. If I click on it, this is going to open up. Here is the symbol, in this case gold, order type, market, a limit, a stop, and I can put in my lots. I did not calculate the lot size properly now. It's just for the showing purposes on this demo account. I'm going to put like 0.05 lots. You can see the margin impact, what is here. And I'm going to put or click on protection orders. What I can do here is put in a stop loss and put in a take profit. I can do this manually. Can put in a take profit, and I'm going to set it like I can put in percent of balance. I'm going to do 0.5% risk, and the take profit of balance I'm going to do at 1% risk, or 1% take profit, which is 2R in this case. Stop loss 0.5% risk, take profit 1%. I'm going to click on send order. You can see it was immediately filled, and now you can see it on the chart. We have this line here for the buy, and what I really like is that you can adjust your stop loss and your take profit here. I can just use it like this, and I like it really much because you don't need to put in any numbers. You can just use it around on your chart. You can play around. You can put your stop loss to break even. And yeah, now you can see the impact that it's currently having on the P&L. On top, we can zoom in. It was just for the showing purposes. I wanted to show you the stop loss and the take profit moving. So in the bottom corner, you can see the buy position. You can see the stop loss, take profit, and you can see the fill price and everything here. In my opinion, there are quick settings and it's very, very useful for prop traders worldwide. And what I like even more is that it's really good for US traders. You can just use it. So that's basically it for this walkthrough. I showed you the different pairs. On this side, we can check. You can see there is everything here. And go through DXTrade by yourself. There are so many things you can watch out for. In this case, trading journal. What I can see here are the positions, and in this case it's the gold buy that we just put in. That is a trading dashboard, and in my opinion it looks so nice. It's really clean, really useful. You're seeing everything that you need, and I like it really much. It's even better than MetaTrader in my opinion. You can combine your own analysis, like here on the chart. You can draw some things out with trading journal where you can see your trades, and you can combine it, and you don't need to use so many different things or platforms, and in this case you can just combine it. So the things that I really like about this here is that it's totally web-based. You don't need to install any app or whatever to use it, and you have really fast executions. There are no lags. You just saw how I did put in my order and it was filled immediately. And there is the real-time equity display as well. You can see it in the top corner. It's really nice, and in my opinion DXTrade is definitely a good alternative for MetaTrader, and in my opinion an even better alternative than MetaTrader 5. So that's basically it. If you're looking for a modern, clean and reliable trading platform, and especially if you are funded or if you want to get funded, DXTrade is definitely worth a look. I really like how fast and intuitive everything feels for me personally. There are no downloads, there are no disconnects, and it's really perfect for quick executions. If you're already trading with Audacity Capital or you're thinking about joining, just check it out and see it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!